Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope all of you are doing well and staying safe during these critical times. Try to make the best of every situation. Say your prayers, help your parents, and be active in studies. Today we are going to continue our last lesson on integers. How to determine which numbers are greater or smaller. On a number line, the value gets larger as you go towards the right, and the value gets smaller as you go towards the left. Here we can see on the number line that 10 is on the right side of 5, which means 10 is greater than 5. And minus 10 is on the left side of minus 5, which means minus 10 is smaller than minus 5. We also see here on this number line that plus 5 or positive 5 is greater than minus 5 because it is on the right side of minus 5. We can place these numbers on the number line and see which is larger. For example, we can place minus 1 and minus 2 on the number line and see that minus 1 is on the right side of minus 2, which indicates that minus 1 is larger than minus 2, and minus 3 is larger than minus 5. Here, minus 3 is on the right side of minus 5. Similarly, if you plot the other numbers here, for example 5 and minus 10, 5 would be here, minus 10 here. So this shows us that minus 10 is smaller than 5. 2 is here and minus 5 is here, and we can see that 2 is on the right side of minus 5, which indicates that 2 is larger. Therefore, we can conclude that in case of negative integers, the larger the number, the smaller the value. For example, minus 10 is smaller than minus 9, which is smaller than minus 8. Minus 5 is smaller than minus 4. Minus 6 is also smaller than minus 4. An interesting fact is that 0 is larger than all the negative numbers because they are all on the left side of 0. Now we shall see some of the maths from the exercise 3.1. Question number 5. In each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other number on the number line? We can see here that we have 2 and 9 in question number A. We will mark 2 and 9 on the number line and see that 9 is on the right side of 2 because it is larger. Let's do B. Let's mark minus 3 and minus 8 on the number line and see that minus 3 is on the right side of minus 8, which indicates that minus 3 is larger than minus 8. Let's do E. We'll mark minus 6 and 6 on the number line and see that 6 is on the right side of minus 6, which indicates that 6 is larger than minus 6. Let's do question number 6. Write all the integers between the given pairs in the increasing order. We know in the number line that if we go from left to right, we get the increasing order. So doing question number A, we have to find the integers between 0 and minus 7. So we mark 0 and minus 7 here, and we have the following integers: minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, and minus 1. Now, since we are asked to write them in the increasing order, we have to write minus 6 first, then minus 5, then minus 4, then minus 3, then minus 2, and then minus 1, because that's how the numbers are getting larger. Question number 7a. Write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. Now, we learned that in case of negative integers, smaller negative numbers are larger in value. As you can see in the number line that the numbers minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, these are all larger than the number minus 10. And minus 3 is also larger than minus 5. Hence, the numbers, the negative integers which are greater than minus 20 are minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, minus 16. More examples are minus 5, 0, 5, 6, 7, etc. Because you can see that if minus 20 was somewhere here on the number line, then these numbers are here, here, 5, 6, 7. These are all on the right side of minus 20. Hence, they are all larger than minus 20. Question number 7b. Write 4 negative integers less than minus 10. Now, we find minus 10 on the number line here, and the numbers which are less than minus 10 are in this direction on the left side. So we can take minus 11, minus 15, minus 20, and even minus 25, and so on. Question number 7c. We have to write 4 negative integers between minus 10 and minus 5. Now, we find minus 5 and minus 10 in the number line, and we have these integers which are between these two integers. So we list them: -6, -7, -8, and -9. Question number 8. For the following statements, write true or false. If the statement is false, correct it. Question number A. -8 is on the right of -10. Let's find -10 and -8 on the number line, and we see that -8 is actually on the right side of -10. So the statement is correct. Question number 8b. -70 is to the right of -60 on a number line. That is actually false, because if we draw a number line, -70 will be on the left side of -60. Question number 8c. Smallest negative integer is -1. The statement is not correct, because if we point out -1 in the number line, we will see that there are many other integers which are on the left side and which are smaller than -1. So that is not the smallest negative integer. Question number 8d. -26 is greater than -20. No, that is not correct, because we just learned that greater numbers in case of negative integers mean smaller value. Hence, -26 is actually smaller than -20. So after this lecture, you should be able to practice the entire exercise and list down 5 integers smaller than -50 and 5 integers which are larger than -15 but smaller than -1.